Hey everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we are making something cozy, hearty, and so comforting. This is absolutely perfect for chilly winter evenings, and it's all gonna come together so quick and easy in one pot. We're using a cast iron pan for this dish, so let's get started. We're gonna start by prepping our fresh ingredients by chopping up our parsley. I have some bell peppers, some red onions, and some sweet potatoes. So let's get all of this chopped up and then we could move on to the next step. Alright, now that we have all of that chopped up and ready to go, we're moving on with some olive oil in our cast iron pan. We're gonna go ahead and add in some fresh thyme and rosemary, letting the herbs infuse with the olive oil and bring out all that beautiful earthy aromas. And then once that's infused, we're gonna add in our beef. I have about 2 pounds that I chopped up into cube sizes. This way everything cook evenly together. We're just gonna let that cook for a minute before we start adding in the rest of our ingredients, everything that we chopped up. We have the bell peppers, some parsley, some more rosemary and thyme, the red onions, and I added in some jalapenos in there for just a little kick. I also went ahead and added in some tomato paste, about 2 tablespoons, just to like thicken our sauce up once we get to that. But for now, we're gonna mix everything in, let everything saute together, get all those flavors mixing. We're adding in some salt, pepper, regular black pepper and crushed pepper, some oregano, and some paprika. Just bring out a little smokiness. And then we just mix everything up and let it cook. I love using fresh ingredients. It just makes everything so much better and take it to that next level. But now that that is cooked in a little or sauteed a little, it's time to add in our sweet potatoes. And again, I cut everything up into cube sizes, so everything is cooking at the same rates and will finish perfect. So once this sauteed for a bit, next it will be time to go ahead and pour in some of our vegetable stock. You could use vegetable stock, beef stock. I didn't have beef, so I'm going with just vegetable today. And then some hot water. You want to make sure your water is hot. This way it doesn't bring the temperature down, and everything just cooks evenly. And okay, we're gonna keep an eye on this. It's gonna cook for a good 40 to 45 minutes or so. So you just want to keep an eye, keep turning it. Okay, now it's time to go ahead and remove all of the stem out of our dish. You don't want to be chewing on those, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna stir in a generous amount of crème fraîche. This step brings everything together. Crème fraîche is so rich and so creamy. It have the right amount of tang, and it's just gonna balance this dish out perfectly. Just want to make sure you break everything up. And next we're gonna go ahead and add in our pasta. I cannot remember the type of pasta that I use for the life of me right now, but it was a small grain pasta, so something small would go perfect for this dish. And just you just want to stir everything in, cook your pasta until it's al dente, and then we just have a few other ingredients to add in to finish this dish up. We're gonna go ahead and sprinkle in some freshly grated Parmesan cheese and some chopped parsley. It smells so good in here right now. If only you guys could smell it. But maybe you're trying it and you could tell me in the comments how yours came out when you do. These are dishes that my family and I enjoy, especially these dishes that you could make in one pot. Look how beautiful it all came out. Aesthetically, it's so pleasing to me and it tastes even so much better. I want to say thank you to you guys all for watching. As usual, please like and subscribe. 90% of you that are watching are not subscribed. It really helps Ayden and I. If you guys subscribe and hit that like button, we would really appreciate it. So until next time, I hope you guys check out, we have lots of other recipes available. Check those out. Let us know where you're watching from. And if you do happen to try these dishes, be sure to tag us in your dishes so we could see how yours came out. So enjoy, and until next time, from our kitchen to yours, I hope you love this as much as we did. Take care.